Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse, how to use Viggle AI. In today's video, let me show you a tutorial on Viggle AI on Android. First, you need to go to the Play Store and search for Viggle AI, then download the specific app. Now tap the profile icon on the lower right corner and then sign in to an account. After signing in, then let's do an example on how to use this app. Click on the plus sign icon below. Next, on the motion video, simply tap it to add a specific video that you want. Let's select the video on our album. Take note that the maximum video length is 60 seconds or 1 minute. Tap next below, and then allow all access on this device. Now select the motion video, and after that, wait for it to finish loading. Next, tap on the add character photo, and then upload the character that you want. Let's just upload this character right here. After uploading the assets, then you can select what model that you want to use. But for now, let's just select V2 Turbo. Then for the background, let's leave it as it is. Now you can click on the generate button below to generate your video. Wait for it to finish, and from there, you can download the video. Though there will be a watermark if you're using an account for free, but if you choose to upgrade it, then you have the option to remove it. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.